Let me ask you a simple question. How many people do you know that stream content every single day? Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, YouTube TV. It's a lifestyle now. But what if you could actually get paid from it? And I mean paid a lot from it. The global streaming market hit $674 billion in 2024 and is projected to hit $2.6 trillion by 2032. It's the biggest shift in media history, and StreamPro is putting everyday people in a position to own a piece of it. StreamPro isn't just another streaming app. For just $74.95 a month, users get over 1,000 live channels, including local news, international channels, and major sports like NFL, NBA, soccer, and more. All pay-per-views free. UFC, boxing, concerts, a massive on-demand library, 24/7 specialty channels, Harry Potter, The Office, more. Use on 7 devices at once. Perfect for families or roommates. No contracts, no upsells, just everything, one price. We also offer the Stream Pro Box, a one-time $149 device that replaces all of your subscriptions, Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Max, and more. One box, one payment, lifetime access. But here's what makes Stream Pro truly next level. As a Stream Pro agent, for just $99.95 a month, you don't just get access, you get ownership. You can get paid residual income every single week, not only from your customers, but from every person your network brings in. It's a true leveraged income in one of the fastest growing industries all over the planet. No inventory, no overhead, no cap on your potential. You're not watching the revolution, you're part of it, and you're getting paid for it. Stream like a pro, earn like a pro, own the future. Let's go.